Hi everybody, this week's assignment is just a little bit different, so I wanted to go ahead and walk you through this. This is going to be Fight Song Week, and we are going to start working on the beginning of the high school version of the fight song. So you'll notice under Monday's agenda there's a couple of pink links. That will take you to both your music and the YouTube recording that you can practice along with. So we're going to look at the music first. You'll notice that there are two parts per page. The first is the Star Spangled Banner, and then below it is called The Victors, which is our fight song version. I have this for each instrument. If you play an instrument that has more than one part, like clarinet or trumpet or so on, you can pick which part you'd like to play. You are going to start in the fifth measure of the song, which is where the sign is located. And remember, this is what the sign looks like right here. So you're going to count in 5 measures. It probably says chorus in your part right there, and it's likely marked forte. You're going to play the first 16 measures, which will take you down a couple of lines to where the next forte appears in the music. Once you get to that forte, you can stop if you'd like. That is all you need to practice. But a lot of you will notice that from that second forte all the way to the first and second ending, it's almost exactly the same. It's almost exactly repeated from the first 16 measures. So again, all you need to play for me this week is the first 16 measures, but if you'd like to go all the way through the ending, you're welcome to do that. We do not play the section that's marked interlude at all in the junior high, so you don't need to worry about that at all. If you wanted to play the version that the high schoolers play at football and basketball games, you would start here at the sign where it's marked chorus, and you would play all the way down to where it says two next strain. Now we're going to skip the two next strain like it's a first ending, and we're going to go right to the last ending. So you would start at the sign and then take the last ending, and that's how we play the version of the school fight song with the high school. There's also a recording on YouTube that you can click on. Again, you can access that right here on the second pink link, and it will take you to our version of the fight song. This is actually the full recording of the fight song, so the first 20 seconds or so is all you'll actually be playing with on that assignment. What we're doing right now here is this next pink link where it says watch the explanation video. So everything we just talked about right now is what Monday's agenda is telling you. The other thing to note this week is that because it's Memorial Weekend, we have our assignments due on Thursday this week. So you've got a couple of days, but it's only 16 measures for you to learn. The music moves kind of quick for 4/4 time because it's actually technically written in cut time, but if it helps you to play it in 4/4 time and go slower, you're welcome to do that. The speed that you play this week does not matter to me. You can play with either the recording or just yourself, and you see that here in Thursday's explanation. You can submit as an audio or video, and you can use the YouTube audio background or play by yourself. So I don't care if you're giving me an audio version of you playing or if you're showing yourself in a video. Either way is fine. When you make that recording, you're going to go to the Echo agenda, and you'll know on Thursday it's going to show that the project due is called the fight song. And in this box right here, you're just going to submit the link that takes me to your recording. If you want to upload it to YouTube, you can do that and send the YouTube link to me, but if you put it in YouTube, please list it as unlisted or public, not as private. If you list it as private, I will not be able to hear your recording and give you the credit for that. If you want to record it with QuickTime Player or on your phone with some other sort of recording, you're welcome to do that. Just please include the link right here in the submission box, the drop box, so that I'm able to listen to your recording. Everybody that submits a recording to me this week will get full credit for this, regardless of how well you play it. I want to hear your best attempt at the first 16 measures of the Meridian fight song. Good luck to you. As always, you can email me with any questions, but know that once the Memorial Weekend starts on Friday, I will not be checking my email again until the next Tuesday to get back with you. So if you have questions, please ask before the assignment is due. See you all on Zoom on Tuesday. Have a great week.